I'm Guillaume Liberté, Vice President of Sales at DataDis. We are very happy to welcome you at the Hunters facility for a special event. And today we're very pleased to present a worldwide premiere for heavy vehicle industry, our industry.
We are so excited to have you take a look at our technology, our quick check commercial provides, and see the features and benefits it will be able to provide you from an efficiency standpoint so that you can take it to the streets and really become as efficient as possible.